Safety and its precaution and first aid. Safety refers to the state of being free from harm, danger, or risk. It encompasses practices, procedures, and measures that are taken to prevent accidents, injuries, and potential hazards in various settings, including workplaces, homes, public spaces, and recreational areas. Safety precautions involve steps and strategies implemented to minimize the likelihood of accidents or injuries occurring. First aid, on the other hand, refers to the initial medical assistance or treatment provided to someone who has been injured or taken ill suddenly before professional medical help arrives. Here are some key concepts related to safety, precautions, and first aid. Safety precautions. 1. Risk assessment. Identify potential hazards in a given environment and assess the level of risk associated with each. 2. Safety equipment. Ensure the availability and proper use of safety equipment such as helmets, gloves, goggles, fire extinguishers, and more, depending on the context. 3. Training. Provide proper training to individuals on how to use equipment, follow safety procedures, and respond to emergencies. 4. Emergency plans. Develop and communicate emergency plans and procedures that outline steps to take during various types of emergencies. 5. Hazard communication. Clearly label hazardous substances and provide information about their safe handling and storage. 6. Proper signage. Install signs indicating potential dangers, safety procedures, and emergency exits. 7. Regular maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain equipment, machinery, and infrastructure to ensure they are in safe working condition. 8. Personal protective equipment, PPE, encourage or mandate the use of appropriate PPE to reduce the risk of injury or exposure to hazards. First aid. 1. Assessment. Quickly assess the situation and the injured person's condition. 1. Ensure your safety and the safety of the injured person. 2. Call for help. If the situation is severe, call for professional medical help immediately, 911 or local emergency number. 3. Basic life support. Administer basic life-saving techniques like CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, if the person is unconscious and not breathing. 4. Control bleeding. Apply direct pressure to control bleeding from wounds. 5. Immobilization. Immobilize fractured bones or joints to prevent further injury. 6. Shock management. Keep the injured person warm and comfortable to prevent shock. 7. Burn care. Cool and cover burns to minimize damage and pain. 8. Choking. Perform the Heimlich maneuver if someone is choking and unable to breathe. 9. Allergic reactions. Administer an epinephrine auto-injector, if available, for severe allergic reactions. It's important to note that while first aid can provide immediate assistance, professional medical care is crucial for proper diagnosis and comprehensive treatment. Regular training in first aid and safety protocols is essential for individuals in various roles and environments to effectively respond to emergencies and ensure the well-being of themselves and others. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.